Stinky tofu, also known as dòufu, is a popular street food in many East Asian countries, especially in China and Taiwan. Here's a recipe to make stinky tofu at home. Ingredients: 1 block of firm tofu, 500 to 600 grams, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Sichuan peppercorns, 1 tablespoon Chinese 5-spice powder, 1 tablespoon fermented bean curd, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, minced 1-inch piece of ginger, minced 1 green onion, chopped 1 cup of water. Instructions: cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces and set aside. In a small bowl, mix together the soy sauce, Sichuan peppercorns, Chinese 5-spice powder, fermented bean curd, sugar, minced garlic, minced ginger, and chopped green onion. Add the water to the spice mixture and mix well until everything is combined. Place the tofu pieces into a shallow dish and pour the spice mixture over the tofu, making sure that all the pieces are coated evenly. Cover the dish with a lid or plastic wrap and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours, or overnight for a stronger flavor. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or a deep frying pan over medium-high heat. Carefully add the tofu pieces to the hot oil and fry for 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown and crispy on the outside. Remove the fried tofu from the oil and place it on a paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Serve the stinky tofu hot and enjoy. Note: stinky tofu is traditionally served with pickled vegetables, chili sauce, and soy sauce. You can also enjoy it on its own as a snack or appetizer. If you want to reduce the smell, you can soak the tofu in water with a pinch of baking soda for about 30 minutes before marinating and frying.